Hey YouTube, it's Knappy, and I'm back with a protective style. And I know, as you can tell by the title of this video, that I have an official nappy hair U-part wig. And I'm talking a Kinky Koily unit, y'all. All right, so let me just show you the details of this wig. So it definitely has lace around it, which I will be cutting. But on the inside, you guys, they have these combs that you clip in right where the U part is, and then all around the sides. All right, just gonna clip that in your hair. And at the bottom, there is a drawstring. Hope y'all seeing this. So you can go ahead and tighten that around your hair. I'm just excited. There's a clip at the back. And I can't wait to go ahead and wash this and get it started so I can be fabulous, y'all, okay? And I know they will be having a Black Friday sale, so let's get started so y'all can get on it, all right? So go ahead and cut all the lace off that's around the edges, starting with the sides, down into the U part and to the other side. Cut as close to the hair as possible without cutting off any of the actual hair.
Perfect.
So I went ahead and cut the lace off, you guys, and now it's time to prepare your hair for this U-part wig. I already had my hair in twists just from the week, and so what you want to do is go ahead and part yourself a section up front, whether you want it closer on the side or middle, however you like to have your part. And then you're going to go ahead and leave a little bit of edges out to cover the sides of the wig. So go ahead and do that. Right now I have my hair in this twist, and I've already sectioned off the little front section. And then from the back, I'm gonna go ahead and pin up the twist into a little bun style. If you're not good at corn rolling or braiding, this is an easy alternative. All right, so you have your two twists on the side, your U-part one in the middle here. All right, so again, I should just note, I gently rinsed the wig off and it is still amazing. Can y'all see that? I'm so excited. And again, on the inside has these clips, so you wanna go ahead and open these clips up. Okay. They're like little combs. All right, and then you want to align that U part directly with your U part, all right? Then you want to just dig the combs in and snap. Okay. You want to do the same with the sides. This is a great way to keep your edges protected. And then from the back, there's the drawstring and the comb. Just know I'm combing the comb in there and using the drawstring to tighten the wig. All right, so now that bad boy's on. Okay, so go ahead and then undo your own hair. All right, I left my hair kind of damp so that I can blend it with this texture better, and it's moisturized very well. That's why you saw a little bit of the cream I had just added to my hair. Now I'm going to fluff it until my liking. Okay, you guys, I just finished fluffing to make sure my hair blended seamlessly with this wig, which y'all, I feel like this is the most realistic wig I've ever had in real life. I love that it is kind of like afro-y, like I combed out my hair. I love to wear my hair like this, but I usually don't because I'm always trying to protect the style with it. So this wig is a great alternative. It still allows you also to moisturize your hair during the week by, you know, just taking this wig off and moisturizing and protecting your hair during this terrible winter time. So this is super, super cute, and Knappy Hair is having a bomb sale right now. I believe the sale is up until Monday, so definitely go check it out with these U-part wigs. They have a ton of choices. I love that there's some Kinky Koily. There is even a kinky straighter texture, so it's not like that super straight, but kind of if we were to press our hair, how we would get that like I would say in between kinky straight style. And I love that they are catered to Black women and to us with our natural beautiful curls. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a 360 of the final look. And yeah, I'm going to be wearing this for the next probably month, you guys. I'll be wearing it in twists and twist outs. So if you're curious, go follow me on Instagram. I'll be posting very regularly in this wig because it is super cute and you can style it with heat. You can do anything you want with this wig, which is really kind of bomb. I know some people color their hair, and so you can add highlights with this wig. I'm probably gonna just leave it this color and then, you know, do my twist outs and braid outs and other updos and enjoy wearing my hair out in the winter time. So that's it for this video, guys. If y'all have any other questions, please leave them down below, and I'll also leave a link to the website, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.